PVC water stopper are mainly used to tunnels, bridges, a storage tank, water and waste water treatment plants, and power project plants, dams, culverts, and other places. PVC water stopper are highly resistant to corrosion, so they are widely used for wastewater treatment plant also. PVC ये mainly केमिकल नेम ये पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड है. PVC वाटर स्टॉपर ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 3 कलर्स, black color, white color, and blue color. So if any requirement, you contact to 9550921831. Our email address sandhyaflex2020@gmail.com, sandhyaflexhyd@gmail.com, sandhyaflextechnical@gmail.com. And you can visit for more detail our website www.sandhyaflexrubber.com and www.pvcwaterstopper.in. Best quality as per IS 15058. There is no any excuse in quality. There is no any excuse in the commitment. Suppose in the India market, SANDHYAFLEX is the best manufacturer and supplier of the PVC water stopper, and a good relation of the construction company and good relation of the reseller of all India, like this Chennai, Sikandrabad, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai. There are so many places is our customer, and so many times you are supplying the other country also, just like this Kenya, Ghana, and Malaysia also. Quality wise, there is no any compromise in quality. PVC water stopper, there is usually so many chemicals like this TBLS, DBLS, ALS, epoxy, CPW, white reinforcement, black reinforcement, and pigment like this titanium dioxide. And suppose you go through blue color, so many pigment added in the compounding. SANDHYAFLEX brand is run by Mr. Mithilesh Chaudhary, having 25 years experience in the rubber and PVC product. Like this laboratory, all raw material testing facility in our factory, like this tensile strength, elongation, air brake, hardness, and chemical and physical property also conducted as per IS 15058, and in-house facility of the maintenance like this die maker and any fabrication. Construction and road construction and bridge construction, you are provided of all types of the raw material. Suppose you go through bridge construction, there is so many product manufacturing like this elastomeric bridge bearing, a strip seal expansion joint, compressive seal expansion joint, omega seal expansion joint, and a drainage support for collect the rainwater of the bridges. And for road construction, your supply of the LDP sheet and expansion joint filler board. Expansion joint filler board is a minimum 12 mm to maximum 25 mm. Dimension is a 2 feet by 4 feet. And our company is provided of the LDP sheet black color, white color, off-white color, and blue color, and transparent color. LDP sheet is a coming 50 microns to 1500 microns. Don't miss SANDHYAFLEX. Thanks for watching.